Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make spicy pan fried fish. For that we need 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, half lime, 3 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 tablespoon chili paste. 4 to 5 slices fish and as per your taste salt. First, in a bowl, mix all the ingredients together except fish. I am adding soya sauce, oil, chili paste, garlic, salt, pepper and chili flakes. Mix well. I am adding half of the lime. Mix it nicely. All the ingredients will combine. Check salt and adjust it. Now I am marinating fish with this paste. Coat nicely with this paste. Keep half an hour for the marination. You can refrigerate or can keep in the room temperature as well. After half an hour, in a grill pan, add some oil. And put fish slices one by one. Cook until it's turned golden brown color. Once it's done, turn to the other side and cook evenly. Now our pan fried fish is getting ready. It's nice golden brown color. Now it's done. Once it's done, place it in tissue paper. You can garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and lime juice on top. Our spicy pan fried fish is ready to serve. We can have this fish with rice or any kind of roti. Thanks for watching.